Polly and Bob Story from Ottawa, Canada are going on to our 55th anniversary with this beauty behind us.
This is my fridge. I received my fridge from my mother about 15 years ago, or anyway. This is what it looks like.
Action.
It's a Quick Freeze Incorporated, Fond du Lac, Wisconsin, USA. It's a Model 9CR-90-A2. Serial number A59 388816.
Okay.
We estimate the fridge is approximately 62 years old and was originally purchased by my wife's parents. This fridge has been ours and has survived as a backup for many occasions, however not without some maintenance, and it still requires the defrosting. It was named the Aluminum Mine by my father-in-law as leftovers were wrapped in foil and you couldn't tell what was what. Saran was still not invented.
Action.
I defrost it every 2 weeks, and I have to turn it off and let it melt, and then take and throw away the ice.
And go.
This fridge has to be defrosted every 2 weeks, so we automatically use the ancient Sunbeam hairdryer hose. The hood disintegrated a number of years ago, but the heater still works.
Action.
And this is how I have to defrost it.
Go.
Anytime you want.
It's very inconvenient. Please send me a new fridge.